Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about the stunning Jaipuri hand dyeing chiffon saree. They've been making wave in the fashion world, and the best part, it's only priced 1450. This saree is true masterpiece crafted by skilled artisans in Jaipur using traditional technique. The intricate hand dyeing process giving each saree a unique and beautiful pattern that show to turn head. And let's talk about the fabric. Chiffon is known for its light and airy feel, making it perfect for any occasion, whether you are attending a wedding or casual get together. This saree will make you look and feel like a queen. But don't just take my word for words for it. The reviews speak for themselves. Customers rave about the quality and beauty of this saree, and at such an affordable price, it's still. So if you are looking to add some elegance and sophistication to your wardrobe, look no further than the Jaipur hand dye chiffon saree. Trust me, you won't regret it. And guys, if you want to purchase this saree, then its link is in description box, so you can check it out. Till then, bye, take care. Thank you for watching my video.